Welcome back to another Tech Tuesday. I'm Bethany Gaffey with U of Innovate, and today I'll be here with Yuliia Hrynchenko, the COO of ABIL Tech, a local startup focusing on accessible, smart prosthetics, founded right here at the University of Florida's College of Engineering. Yuliia, thank you so much for joining us today. Could you tell us more about ABIL Tech?
Of course. ABIL Tech startup started with 6 mechanical engineering students deciding to design accessible smart prosthetics. Everyone knows that prosthetics is expensive device. So the regular price on the market is $20,000 to $50,000, and sometimes insurance doesn't even cover it. So we decided to design a product that will be not only accessible, but also smarter, and it only costs $5,000.
What techniques did you guys use to make the design more accessible, more financially accessible?
With the current progress in 3D printing, it allowed us to design the prosthetic arm with the cheaper materials and make it more accessible, as well as the progress in the embedded systems and AI and machine learning on the chip. It allowed us to combine all these components.
What makes this design different than others that are already on the market?
This is the only prosthetic arm that currently has computer vision implemented in the US. So by implementing computer vision, we allow to have this semi-autonomous control for them to relieve them from the stress and long training that's required for them to be able to control it. Imagine someone is wearing this arm. There is EMG sensor connected to the muscle that those sensors are able to recognize if there's any muscle activity. And it works basically like on and off switch for them. So they don't have to know very complicated patterns. It's just on and off, flex or not flex.
If you're interested in accessible smart prosthetics, please visit abiltech.com. That's AIBL Tech.com. And we'll see you next week on another Tech Tuesday.